Hell yeah. Which one's that one?
Jameson Orange.
That's just fire.
Yeah. What's up? It's your boy Blessed by Abe. What's up, YouTube? I'm back and I got a special guest. I got my boy Young Chowder, the one and only. Just got signed to Cookies. Shout out to Young Chowder and his projects and everything that he's doing. This is one of my clients for a while now, for about 2-3 years. He hit me up right when he got signed to Cookies, but let's get to it. Right now, I'm cutting my boy right now. He has a 2 on the side, so I'm taking the bulk off. I'm using my LI Pros Slim Lines right now. Oh, my LI Lows FX, sorry, just to get that first taper guideline out. Now, you see, I'm rounding it this time. He likes it a little bit rounder, so I'm going to do that. A little fun fact, he is signed to Cookies. So he just came back on tour this week and he needed a haircut. He went somewhere in like the Midwest and they pushed his line back, messed up his hair. So he's like, bro, I need you to bless me. So, that's what I did. So I got my one guideline right now, setting it off. And just a quick FYI, I used a new stand to record. So all this is me getting the right angles and seeing what I do like and what I don't like. So just, bear with me. Right now I'm just taking the bald guideline off from the taper, and you see I'm rounding it off. I got my old Babyliss Barber Frank the Barber edition. These go crazy. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just taking the first guideline, which is open, all the way open, and I'm just using the levers. Shout out to JRL. These clippers, they last forever. Not only that, they have levers, so you can never get lost with these haircuts. So now I'm doing the one closed, and I'm still keeping that moon shape, that crest shape. That's how you keep the C cups. So you keep them nice and round. So now that I did that, I'm going to have the 1.5 all the way open. Since I know it's a 2, I'm going to start fading all the way down and just tapping at the line, just softening it up. Now, there are some steps that I did skip. I apologize. I'm still getting used to the stand. That helps me stop and record. But overall, you see, all I'm doing is fading down and just tapping at the line. It looks like the back taper is already faded. Switch to the other side. You see, I'm rounding them out. I'm not just making them straight. He likes them a little bit like that. A lot of new generation likes that type of style, and it looks fire. Something cool about him is he's made a couple new music videos with OGZ, with Burner. If you're from the Bay Area, check him out. His name is Young Chowder. Almost all his music videos I've come out, I've done for him. The 51 with OGZ, the I believe the Run It with Burner, just multiple different types of ones, and it's cool just to see that my artwork's out on music videos. So right now I set my one guideline back to the cut, and I'm using my half guard to flick out. And all I'm doing is just going in a just circular motion, using the corners of the blade, using my brush, taking my time. There's no rush. Always take your time. Shout out to JR. Like I said, I love the levers. They remind me of a Babyliss, but more sleek and more professional. So I like using hairspray or spritz, what people say, and I use that to set the first, lay the hair down. So when I'm lining up, everything is just nice and crispy. As you can see, you didn't see, but I put some spritz or hairspray in the back, and that's how a big secret to all you barbers: put some hairspray in the front so they can see your lineup. They can see it nice and crispy. It sticks the hair down. It lays it down. Why not? It helps out. Here's the other side of the back of the neck. Now, I've had these clippers since the pandemic. These have done me well, but looks like they're about to die out soon. But we're still praying. All we're doing right now is just lining them up. Nothing too crazy. He you guys are gonna see the finished product. This is something that me and him have been practicing now for over 2.5, 3 years now. Me just perfecting his hairstyle. As you can see, it was pushed back just a smidge, but your boy Blessed by Abe always brings him back. Now Chowder, he's about to drop off one of his new albums. Stay tuned for that. He's big in the Bay. He's doing his thing. Keep it up. We're all right now. I'm just lining them up. And I didn't get the full finished product before and after. I did a couple videos. After this, I had a couple clients that are just back to back. So I couldn't really do a full ending video. But you will see the difference. Shout out to him and, letting me record him every time. He also gave me a couple opportunities that you will see soon. So just stay tuned, y'all. This is the finished product. All I'm doing is just buzzing them with the balders, getting the light touch-ups. But check it out. Y'all tell me what you think. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Any new sluggers came out yet, or nah?
Yeah, I need to go pick some up. Man, they haven't pulled up on us.
Hell yeah.